Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Yo, set your affirmations, aspirations. I got shit to do, the aftermath of preparation. Good food, good mood, blood in circulation. One step at a time, yeah, that's how you make it. Set a goal you control and the steps you take them. I try to pick one thought, have some concentration. And if I make a mistake, it's called education. I try to do this every day, call it replication. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.
Hey Crusaders, Daryl here. Today I'm going to be reviewing my rough country 270 degree awning. My rough country awning was purchased for me by my mother-in-law for Christmas, this past Christmas 2023. I have been using this awning for approximately 6 months now. So this is the rough country 270 model number 99047, and it's for the driver's side of the vehicle, here in the States that is. It is made with a gray 600D ripstop canvas. It covers 70 square feet of coverage once fully deployed. The framework is a black powder coated aluminum. With the kit, it also includes one telescopic aluminum pole, which is already attached to the awning inside. The kit or the awning also includes all the hardware needed to mount it and also an L bracket. It does have universal applications, but with that, you also have to remember that there may be some adaptations that you have to use to mount it. For my situation, I used the L bracket, which I mounted to the crossbars on my 2003 Mitsubishi Montero. The awning does come with a lifetime limited warranty, and it is housed within this black PVC bag, which includes the YKK zippers. As I mentioned, prior to making this video, I looked at Extreme Terrain's website, and they're currently offering the same awning for $408.45. So $408.45. But don't despair. That's still an excellent value. Now, if you're a first responder or military veteran, they do offer a 5% site-wide discount and up to a 10% discount on selected items. Also included with this kit comes a canvas bag. And in that canvas bag, it comes with guide wires, or I should say guide ropes, and it also has ground stakes and a ratcheting rope. And that ratcheting rope is used to tighten the canvas when fully deployed. Let me show you just how easy it is to open this rough country 270 degree awning. All right, Crusaders, for me, what I normally do is on any of my awnings, whether it's my rough country 270 degree awning or on the other side I have the kick-ass shower awning or privacy awning, what I do is I put the zippers, I locate them in the back of the bag. So I have both the zippers in the back of the bag. Once again, these are YKK zippers. The reason I have them in the back is if I'm driving down the road with my windows down, I don't want to hear the jiggling of the zippers. All right. So what I normally do is make sure the bag is clear of the brackets. They have securing straps here. Let it fall down, and then just pull it so it clears the bag. Once you find the end, so here's the very end of it, just swing it all the way around. Okay, Crusaders, so as we pull the bag out, if you notice, there is the D-ring right here. Okay, this is the very end of the awning. So, yeah, excuse the language in the back, we got a tree company going on. So pull this all the way around. So see it tightening up, and then what I do is I bring it back upon on itself. And I'm doing this with one-handed, so it is a little more difficult. There we go. And then once it's secure there, follow it back. Here's the ratchet, and just pull it tight. Okay. So you'll notice here's a location for a support pole. It also has Velcro all the way around it. That way if you use the outer room. Here's little support tabs. Okay, little support tabs so you can put guide wires down. Also, if you push this down, if it's raining, this will be a drainage point. Here's another location if you want to do additional poles. And then here's straps to hold it down. Here's the support pole that comes stock with it, which you could use that if you needed to for inclement weather. So if you notice, it's all the gray ripstop materials. Here's another pole. Now these are all used for if you're going to go ahead and do the attic rooms or the attic enclosures, because then it would connect all the way with these Velcro all the way around. And then you use the support legs for more support, just for the weight of the canvas pulling down on it. But this is a freestanding unit, and as you can see, it's quite shady under here, which in Florida, even though it's like 9 o'clock in the morning, we're still probably getting close to 90 degrees. So this is the Rough Country 270 degree awning, model 99047, and it's for the driver's side. Now, let me go ahead and show you just how easy it is to put it back up. All right, so now it's time to put the awning away. Remember, before you try and fold it up, you have to disconnect the ratchet rope. So the ratchet rope, it has this button right here. See, this ratchet's here, and then this right here, you release that. I don't know if y'all saw that. I'll do it again. Make sure I'm in focus. So my thumb is right here, this piece of metal right here, you see that? You just push it towards the hook and it releases it, okay? Then you just come down here, and like I said, I folded it on itself. And here it goes. You notice it's already starting to fold itself up. That's probably because I wasn't sitting level. Have it, Crusaders. My Rough Country 270 degree awning, model 99047, for the driver's side of the vehicle. Make sure you check out Extreme Terrain, and if you're a first responder or military association, make sure you look at that 5% discount or 10% discount on selected items. Crusaders, make sure you like, subscribe, and share to this video and to my site. I greatly appreciate all your support. As I said before, I'm not making money on these. This is just something I enjoy doing that helps me relax in life. Also, don't forget, God bless, and I hope to see you on your own adventure.